Nissan Versa Note 2014 to 2019. To unscrew and remove the side view mirror, you need to remove the lower part of the mirror housing and unscrew the two bolts located there. After that, remove the door panel. Unscrew one bolt in the armrest, pull the armrest out and disconnect the connectors. Then unscrew the second bolt under the armrest. Use a tool to pry the door panel from the bottom to release the clips. Once the panel is off, you will have access to unscrew the third bolt from the inside of the door. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the mirror.